I'm on the ferry heading to Paros, one of the most popular islands of the Kochilas, to meet a young farmer who works the land in an environmentally sound way. He'll show me how his crops thrive with next to no water.
If a crop really has to dig down deep to form its roots, you will end up with a more resilient crop.
Beautiful. That's exactly the sound we want. And we'll make a wonderful rabbit stifado. In the kitchen, I'll make a delicious octopus meze. Let's have a little meze together. And a chickpea quinoa salad infused with the flavors of the Aegean. I just got the powerful smell of all these herbs. Join me for an eye-opening journey from his farm to my Greek table.